Blizzard 2011. Oh man, it's fucking cold out here. It's so fucking cold, and the snow like hurts so bad as it's pelting me. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's like going crazy. Oh, alright, here we go. This shit is nuts! Woo! Woo! Shit. It is crazy out there. Look at that. You can see like the wind blowing the snow around, if you can. It's like the wind is howling. It's just like out of a movie. It's tripped out. Man, what I wouldn't give to be in Florida right now. Nuts. Snow coming into the house. So crazy. Even the Siberian Husky, Chachi, will not go outside in these conditions. This is crazy. Yeah, it is nuts. You can't even see out there. I go back in here into the house. Alright. Let's see out this window here if we can. See if we can get a good look of the street. Not really. I just like shoveled that walk and I snowblowed like 2 hours ago, and it's already covered. Charlotte Rios washing the dishes during the snow blizzard of 2011. Say a little something on the camera.
I love you. Go shovel. Now.
No way. There's Chachi, the husky, hiding in terror from the snow blizzard. She's a husky. She's a husky girl. And she's afraid. Ooh. Man. Let's see out here. This is a pretty good shot. You can see the snow like just kind of swirling around in the street light. It really helps a lot because the snow, the light glares off the snow as it's passing. Look at that drift. That drift in actuality is probably about 1.5 feet high already, if not more. Maybe more, maybe like almost 2 feet. It's nuts. You can see that. Snow Blizzard 2011. I did not think that this would happen. I really thought that the media and everybody was really hyping the snowstorm up. I really thought that we were going to have like maybe, you know, 5 or 6 inches. I did not know it was going to be like this. It's really kind of nuts to see this kind of happen. The last time I saw something like this happen was in 1999. It was New Year's Eve. And, you know, the next day, New Year's Day, we, you know, just woke up and hung over and was looking at all this snow. But, you know, the funny thing about that was it was a really sunny day on New Year's